In this video, we are going to look on how to deposit on IQ option. First, open up your IQ option account and click here on deposit. You have multiple payment methods to choose from, but for this video, I will choose MasterCard as my payment option. You can choose any one currency from the given options. Choose the currency wisely as you cannot change it after you first deposit. I am going to select USD and then click on Next. The minimum amount you have to send in a single transaction is $7. Choose the amount you want to deposit. Then if you have any promo code, you can enter it here. Enter your card details here. Then click here to agree to the terms and conditions. And click on Deposit. Once you click on Deposit, you will be redirected to a new web page where you will have to verify and confirm your transaction. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.